In today's video, we have a look on the methods of tuple which we can use to manipulate them. Okay, I hope you will be understanding till here, and we look on a lot of more stuff. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. When we talk about list, so we also talk about methods of list. Okay, and now okay, we learn how we can manipulate list. Okay, can we manipulate tuple? I will be no in a direct way. If you want to change and or remove a value from a tuple, okay, so you will be what you can do. So there is no direct method to do that. You have to copy it and make a list. Then you have to do changes in that list. Okay, and then you have to change it again in tuple. Because that's the main point of tuple. You cannot or change it. If a tuple contains 5 items, so they remain 5. You cannot add 6th item in it. Okay, so I hope you can understand. But we know now. Have you a look on methods which we tell you about the elements of a tuple or give you more information about it. Okay, as we learn, tuple are immutable. Okay, so if you want to add, remove or change tuple item, then and first you convert the tuple to a list. And here I will be write like all things like here convert the tuple to a list. Here you will be see it. So now I hope you will be till here you will be understanding what I am saying and what is my mean. And then you can perform function like adding, removing or changing. Okay. So I hope you will be understanding, and I give the example here also. Here you will be see it. Here I will be give like examples, and I will be begin like that. And now here you will be see it. I will be give like example here. Here you will be see it. And I will give example, and the console will be okay. So I will be. I hope you will be understand it till here. I hope I have taken a quite good example here, and I want to all have a look on. Okay, like I haven't copy it, and I will be copy it like here, and I will be paste it. Okay, so now I will be run it like that. Here is a tuple, and I created a temporary list. Okay, temporary list. Okay, here's a and then I pen Russian in it. Okay, and a Russian in it. And then I use a tuple. I use a dot pop method of list. Okay, here you will be see it like I will be write like we go to the here, and now here I will be going small it. Okay, so here you will be see the pop method. I will be also use like here of list. Okay, then I made some changes in that list, and finally I convert that list into a tuple. Okay, and this I hope you will be understanding. So this is how you can change a tuple indirectly but not directly. Okay, remember this. Okay, so now look, thus we convert the tuple to a list, manipulate item, then convert it back to a tuple. Okay, however we can directly concatenate two tuples without converting them to list. Okay, so how I will be tell you, because we are creating a new tuple, we are not changing an existing tuple. Okay, so but we are creating a new tuple. Okay, understand it. When we are containing two tuple, we are creating a new tuple. Okay, I hope you will be understand it till here. I hope. So now if you have a look on this example, like I haven't give here like that example I will be give like here, and now I will be copy it, and now what you can do here I will be paste it, because these example are already here, so I am overwriting them. Okay, so now I will be run it like that. you can copy and run them on your own. Okay, so so we merge them both. Okay, so a tuple has been created by merging the name of these countries and these countries. Here you will be see it. Here is coming like that. Okay, I hope you will be understand it till here where the names of countries are coming like here. This is how we can do this. Okay, now there are some methods of people which you must know. Okay, which you must know. So like I tell you, for example, there is a go down, and I will be go to the here and here. Here, for example, there is a count method which shows the a number of occurrences is for of a given item. Here you will be see it. Okay. So now I will give like that. Let me make it small because we use capital for class. Like I will be go and I will be go and now I will be copy it and paste it. And now so here I will be do it like that, and here I will be a small this table. This is not important for now, but I know this is in object oriented programming. Okay, so I hope there will be no difference, but again, okay, so you will be know. So it changed it small t, like I will be run. I will be still like a small t. So like heaven it will be giving the error. So I will be tell you why it will giving the error. So I will be what you can do tuple. I will be see why it is giving the error 2 3 comma rest. I will be see why what giving the error. Track both recent class large file main.py line to is module. Okay, so what is my mistake here? I will be small this t also. Oh, so now we can run. So here you will be see it is coming like that. There will be no difference, but again it is a convertation that we use classes. We use classes are written with a capital letter and variables are written with small letters. Okay. Here you will be understand it till here I hope. So T3 occurs twice. That's why I got 3 has a output. Okay. So I hope you will be understand it till here. Tuple 1 dot count 3. Tuple 1 the output is 3. If I add another 3, so the output will be 4. Okay, like I have it like go to the here comma 3. It show the number of occurrences of a given item. Like I will be run it. I will be run it like that. Okay. So here you will be see it. It will giving the as a simple is that. Okay. I hope you will be understood this. Okay. So now come to the dot index method. It is the same as the list dot index. Return the first occurrences of the given element from tuple. Okay. So it raise value error if the okay. So I hope you will understand. It raise the value error if the element is not present in the list. Okay. So now I hope you will be understand it here. Remember this. Okay. So if I do something like this, I will be go to the here and I will be go and here I will be go and I will be put him one comment. And if I write like go to the here and I will be copy it, paste it. I doesn't run, sorry. I will be not run it, sorry for that. I doesn't run. So like I haven't write like rest. Here I will be write like rest. Yeah. Here I will be write like dress and here I will be write like index. 3. When the get index of first occurrences of 3 which is 3 like I haven't run, so you will be look. Here you will be see it, you will be giving the what if the change this to the 31, so I get a 5 like I will be go and I will be go to the here and I will be big it and first of all I will be unzoom it and here I will be go like 31. So I get a 5 like run. I will be run. So here you will see it is giving the 5 because it is on the 5th index. So that's why it will giving the 5. That is much you know. Okay, what you must know. There is another thing in this. I got the occurrences of 3. Okay, yes. So as I know, there are a lot of occurrences of 3 here. Okay, so now I hope you will be understanding till here. But I want to know the index of 3 for just a portion. Okay, I can do it something like this. Here I will be go, and here I will be go, and here I will be, here we will be go, and here I will be pasted like that. And so I will, that can I add a starting point and 0 1 2 3. Let's suppose if I given 3 as a starting point, first of all I will be go to the here, and now I will be give like the 3 is a start, and then I have add the adding point, like I first of all we can write like 3, and if I add the ending point 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so like here you will be see the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, like I will be right. Let me do one thing. I change this to 4 comma 7, and or I change the 8, and now I want to the index of 3. Like I haven't run it. Sorry, 4 and 8. Like I have write like that. Firstly, I do the slicing of this tuple from 4 and 8. So I will be what we can do. Here I will be go comma 3. Now it's saying x is not tuple. It's not in tuple. Okay, here will be see it. In fact, I made a mistake. This 3 must be added in the starting. Okay, so I will be go, and the 3 will be add into the starting 3 comma. Okay, that's right. I do first do slicing of the tuple as 4 and 8. When I do slicing of this tuple with 4 and 8, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7, and so like I go to the here, and now I will be running. So now you will be see it will giving the another error. So what we can do here, I will be it will what giving the error, get tuple dot count. Okay, sorry, here I will be write like count, here you will be write like index, and now we will be run it like that. So here we will see it will giving the 5, 4 will contain this. Okay, so look what will be the occurrence of 3. Okay, so now it will be a 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, at the original tuple 3 is on the 5th index, like haven't you will say, that's why we got 5. What if I change it to the 31? Like I will be right, I won't get a 5 but 7. Okay, like I will be go 31. So I will be right like it will coming like the 7. You will see it here. That's why I get 7. Okay. So now you use the dot index method quite a multiple item times in your life. But you are rarely use the starting verification, and you use the one a lot. But again, I just told you how it works. Okay. So remember it raise value error if the tuple, if the element is not present in the tuple. Okay, for example, I do something like this. Like I will be tell you, if I change this to the, like first I will be go, and I will be make him comment, and I will be make him comment, and I will be like I change into the 311, and 311 I will be change it like that, and I will be go to the here, and here I will be give him like index. So index is, so it's raise a value error, like I run, and it raise a value error. It display there are nothing like 311 in your tuple. Why are you trying to print it? Okay, so you will be understand it till here. It raise value error as we saw just now. Okay, so you, I hope then comes the length in tuples methods. Okay, if I want show you a length of this tuple, okay, so I add a tuple 1 here, like I will be go, and I will be write like rest will be len, and len should be tuple. I add like here I will be write add like tuple should be 1. And like I haven't write like here, there are very some methods of tuple which I want to explain to you. You can all use also method of list one once you convert a tuple to a list. Okay, so and then make the changes wanted to make. Okay, so I hope you then convert again to the tuple as long it remain into the state of a tuple, you wouldn't be able to change it. Okay, you wouldn't be change it, right? Okay, but when you convert it into a list from a tuple, then you can make changes. Okay, then after making changes, if you are convert it again to a tuple, then you cannot make change exiting tuple. Okay, because tuples are immutable. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Okay, and I haven't accessed the you haven't accessed the playlist yet, so make sure to do right now. Okay, so bookmark it by clicking. Okay, so that's it for that's it for this video, guys. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. So I will be see you next time.